harming workers' health.
Boom, boom, boom.
That
This,
surprised me.
huh?
That doesn't surprise me.
Yeah, guys, if you've ever gone out and driven Uber or Lyft for 40 hours a week, even like 30 hours plus a week, or some drivers are going out and driving 80 hours a week, like 10 hours a day. This is going to take a huge toll on your body. I know sometimes after I've given a long driving week, I feel like exhausted. My mind, I even have like brain fog, and doing this long term is not good. So yeah, we want to read this.
Yeah. So capitalism is thought to bring out the best in workers, but there's a dark side to tiny person's everyday efforts to their weekly paycheck. Folks relying on short-term freelance office jobs or jobs to hustle, depending largely on tips, commissions, and bonuses, may often suffer poor health related to their financial insecurity, new research has shown. Employees with fluctuating and unpredictable pay tend to have poorer sleep, more stress, and miserable physical symptoms that affect their work and home life.
I'm going to interrupt you real quick. So I noticed when I was driving Lyft a lot, especially when I'm doing late night rides, I was having so much trouble sleeping. Because imagine you're just doing like late night rides to like 2, 3 a.m. And I would do that sometimes because it's like, or a lot of times on weekend nights. You're doing these rides and you have these people who get in your car. Some of them are super loud, super crazy. Other people are silent. And it's like, you got to be alert driving safely. And a lot of times you're drinking energy drinks. And I know most drivers probably drink energy drinks. Comment below if you drink energy drinks, or coffee. A lot of times I would drink coffee because it's like healthier, I guess, because like I don't want to consume a bunch of sugar. But like, yeah, driving that late and drinking coffee, just stay up, because I know so many times it's like 1 a.m. and I'm like, I gotta drive till 3. Might as well get a coffee, like a 1 a.m. coffee, then trying to go to bed after that. It's not definitely not good for your health, and definitely not good for your sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah, poor sleep and more stress. I noticed my mental health took a huge toll. Which is why I don't really like driving full time. I don't really recommend it to anybody.
Yeah, there's some crazy people out there driving 12 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yeah, they exist, and they're probably more common than you think.
Yeah, I mean, we've talked to some on the channel, interviewed them.
Yeah, guys, go through our video list and check out those videos. Anybody who says, "Oh, I make $2,000 a week driving for Uber," they're most likely driving 80 hours a week. Would you do the math on that? I mean, come on, that's 40 hours a week of overtime pay that you're not getting overtime pay for because Uber doesn't pay overtime. It's like, yeah, okay. So there's a lot of research looking at how performance-based pay, commission-based pay, piece rate-based pay leads to higher levels of motivation. That's one of the reasons why these practices become popular. But there are costs to these pay arrangements. Yeah, I mean, it's just like we said, like people end up working a ton. Tipped workers who experience more volatility in their pay also tended to report more physical symptoms. Things like headaches, stomach aches, backaches, eye strain. Yes, eye strain is huge. Comment below if you've had eye strain by driving Lyft for like 10 hours straight. It's like crazy. Reported symptoms of insomnia. Like I said, drinking coffee late at night to stay awake to do those last rides. Yeah, they definitely design it like a game where it's like, oh, do a ride here, and then like, oh, you just gotta do 3 more rides, then you hit your quest, and then you're like, you hit your bonus, and then it's like, oh, do more rides here, do more rides here. They really design it like a game, like a casino game.
Yeah.
With money, with real money. Dalton family says coffee for me. Yeah, yeah, I agree. Coffee. Um,
Oh, caffeine of choice is matcha.
okay, like that's healthier at least. But it
Yeah,
still does have a lot of caffeine in it. I mean, it's gonna still keep you awake like crazy.